Dear students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss block 22 LP2 finding the theme. Aim of today's class is to identify the theme and explain which details support the theme. Keywords are wiggling means to move up and down or side by side, echoed, nibble, message and theme. So what has happened in the fable so far? What do you think is going to happen next? The young fish gets to know about something called man from his friends. In order to know more than his friends, he goes to his grandfather to learn the secret to his long life. Grandfather's first rule to have a long life is to not go near any metal hooks that have any tasty morsel of food attached to them. What message do you think this fable gives? What a reader thinks is the message of a story is her or his opinion and not a fact. So what details support it? It is important to support your opinion with the details from the story. For example, if you think the message of the fable is that we should listen to the advice of our elders, you should support it by explaining how the young fish died because he did not listen to his grandfather's advice. What are some ways of finding the message of a story? To find the message of a story, we should look at what happens to the main character at the end of the story. If something bad happens to the main character, the message may be to not make the same mistake as the character. If something good happens to the main character, the message could be that we should do what the character does in the story. The message of a story is called its theme. So what do you mean by theme? The message of a story is called its theme. So in a fable, the theme is the life lesson that the story teaches us. Would the theme of the fable, Grandfather Fish's Secrets to a Long Life, change if the story ended with the young fish cleverly pursuing the man out of eating him? I read once again. Would the theme of the fable, Grandfather Fish's Secrets to a Long Life, change if the story ended with the young fish cleverly persuading the man out of eating him? If the ending changes, then a possible theme could be that cleverness can get you out of big troubles. So finish S2 from English workbook volume 3 of page number 31. So here the question number 1 is, read the fable The Grasshopper and the Ants in S1 and fill in the table below. So the theme of the fable and details in the fable that support this theme. Question number 2 is, suppose we change the ending of the fable in S1 to the ants shook their heads with disbelief but felt pity for the foolish grasshopper. They took him to their anthill and fed him some food. Would the theme of the story change? Why or why not? What could the new theme be? Explain your answer. So this completes your block 22 LP2. Thank you one and all.